As per Cbse notification dated 9/12/2025, Cbse has issued an important examination guidance for class 10th board students to ensure correct presentation of answers in the answer sheet and smooth evaluation. Students are advised to read and follow the instruction carefully to avoid the mistakes during the board examination. The science question paper will be divided into three sections: Section A, Section B, and Section C. Section A is for biology, Section B is for chemistry, and Section C is for physics. Students must write answers strictly in their respective sections only. Biology answers should be written only in the Section A, chemistry answers should be written only in Section B, and physics answers should be written only in Section C. Writing answers of one section in another section should be strictly avoided. As for social science question paper will be divided into four sections: Section A, Section B, Section C, and Section D. Section A is for history, Section B is for geography, Section C is for political science, and Section D is for economics. Students must ensure that answers are written only in the sections meant for the subject. Do not mix the answers of different subjects in the same section. Important instructions to be communicated to the students appearing in class 10th. Students will divide the answer book in 3 sections in science and 4 sections in the social science for writing the answers. Replies of questions are to be written only within the space identified for the concerned section only. A reply of a section should not be written or mixed in any other section. In case if replies are mixed, these will not be evaluated and no marks will be awarded. Such mistakes will not be accepted and addressed even during the verification or re-evaluation process after the results are declared. Read the section instructions carefully before attempting the paper. Write correct question number clearly. Attempt questions within the given sections only. Do not continue one subject answer in another section. Proper section-wise answering help in accurate and fair evaluation. Cbse has issued this guidance to prevent the confusion, errors in evaluation, and loss of marks. Students are advised to stay calm, remain attentive, and follow the instructions strictly while writing their answer sheets. Correct answers written in correct section ensure full marks. Best wishes to all class 10 students for their board examination.